myself would do that on radio when I first.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wayne County, southern Nash County, southwestern Edgecombe County,
Raleigh's making 10 or 15 minutes delays.
until 7 p.m.
They're making delays today because of the warm
located
roads.
along a line extending
Or
from near
they're
unsevere feeble at 9 miles north of Clayton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Harborough, Nashville, Wilson, Elm City, Fremont, Bailey, Bristol, Sharpsburg, and Hightown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. You will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Large hail and damaging winds and continuing cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Johnston, Nash, Wayne, and Wilson.
So sorry about that, guys. Double header!
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harnett County, southern Wake County, central Johnston County until 7 p.m.
It's a delay. What the heck?
7 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cary to 7 miles west of Garner to near Fuquay Arena, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Smithfield, Garner, Fuquay Arena, Clayton, Antier, Apex, Palm Springs, and Morrisville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. You will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Large hail and damaging winds and continuing cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Johnston, and Wake. Expect until 7 p.m. for northeastern Wayne, southwestern Nash, south central